Hello, welcome. I'm Joe, and today we'll be making a simple textured vinyl zipper pouch. Now let's begin. The materials you'll need are a 9-inch zipper, 2 pieces of fabric for the tab that is 1.5 inches by 2 inches, 2 pieces of exterior fabric. I'm using textured vinyl that is 10 inches wide by 5.5 inches long, and the lining, 2 lining of the same measurement and 2 pieces of foam of the same measurement. The foam will be added to the lining pieces. So add the foam, clip the foam to your lining piece on the wrong side and take it to your sewing machine and sew around the perimeter to secure the foam to the lining. Now set your lining pieces aside and we're going to add the 2 zipper tabs to the tab. Now take your fabric piece and you will fold it in half and create a crease. Then you will fold the raw edges in toward that crease. And then you will fold again to create a channel. And in this channel is where you're going to place the end of your zipper. Then you will take it to your sewing machine and sew across to secure. Trim the sides down to match the sides of your zipper. And then we'll continue. Okay, so our zipper is now prepared. I decided to change the fabric at the last minute. So we're going to fold our one exterior piece widthwise to find the center. And then we're going to fold the zipper as well and find the center. You can put a little notch in it to mark where the center is on the zipper. Not too deep, just like about a 1/8, just so that you can see it. Then you're going to place your zipper face down with the zipper pulled to the left on the right side of your exterior piece, matching the top raw edges. We will pin this together and then we will take it to our sewing machine and we will sew our zipper onto our exterior front panel. Now go to your sewing machine, and if you have on an all-purpose sewing machine foot, you will remove it and replace it with a zipper foot, as I am doing here, and then begin to sew your zipper in place. So thank you again for coming to my channel. If you're receiving value from my tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. It will help us a great deal with our algorithm and being shared to other persons who are interested in making their own bags. So this is an awesome little pouch that you can use to carry cosmetics or your daily essentials and tuck it away nicely into your handbag. If you are so inclined, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. You can also visit my channel page, SewlyJo, and check out some of my previous tutorials. For example, how to make a fanny pack and how to make a tote bag with a recessed zipper and so much more. Okay, for the next step, we're going to place one of our lining pieces right sides facing, matching the top raw edge. Take it to pin and take to your sewing machine and sew across. Now you're going to pull the lining and exterior pieces away from the zipper. Press or finger press, then you will take it back to your sewing machine and top stitch close to the zipper, about 1/8 or 1/4 inch away from your zip. Use a longer stitch length to top stitch. So if I've used a 2.5 mm stitch length, and I'm going to increase to 3 or maybe 3.5. It just looks much better. After you've completed the top stitching, you will repeat all the steps for the second exterior and lining pieces. Now let's pull our right sides together and our lining pieces together, and then we're going to pin. Make sure to leave a 5-inch opening on the lining side for turning. So I'm now at the sewing machine and I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance to sew around the perimeter, except for the 5-inch area on the lining, which I will be using to turn my pouch right sides out. So I've trimmed around my pouch and my seam allowance is now down to 1/8 of an inch, except for at the opening, and I'm turning my pouch, my zipper pouch, right sides out. Make sure to poke at all the corners, and you can use your hands to flatten and make sure that everything is nice and neat. Now you're going to fold your opening inwards at 1/4 inch, pin, and take to your sewing machine and stitch it close. After you've stitched your opening close, you will push your lining side into the exterior, and voila, your zipper pouch is now complete and ready to be stuffed with all your goodies. Thank you for watching. I hope that you continue to support my channel and that you will subscribe and share with your bag making friends. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Enjoy!